Welcome to your English conversation practice. 10 minutes, real, simple English. Just listen. Repeat if you want. Relax. Let's go. Hey! Hi! Over here!
Oh, hey. Hi. Sorry. Am I late?
No, you're not late. I just came. 2 minutes ago.
Oh, good. I was worried.
No, it's fine. Sit down, please.
Thank you. Okay. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. I'm really good. And you? How are you?
I'm fine. A little tired, but fine.
Tired? Why?
I slept late last night. Very late. Like 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? That's very late. Why?
I watched a movie. A long movie. And then I couldn't sleep.
Oh no. What movie?
I don't remember the name. Some action movie. It was okay. Not great.
Okay, well, you're here now. That's good.
Yeah, I'm here. And I need coffee.
Yes, you need coffee. Let's order. Hi, can we order, please?
Yes, I want a coffee. A big coffee. With milk.
A latte?
Yeah, a latte. A big one. And do you have croissants?
Ask her.
Do you have croissants? Plain ones. No chocolate.
Yes, we have plain croissants and butter croissants.
Plain, please. One plain croissant. Thank you.
And for me, I want a green tea and a small cake. What cakes do you have?
Ask, what do you recommend?
Oh, good idea. What do you recommend?
The lemon cake is very good. And the carrot cake.
Lemon cake. Yes, I'll have the lemon cake. Thank you.
That's it?
That's it. Thank you.
You always get green tea.
Yeah, every time I don't like coffee in the afternoon.
Really? I need coffee. Morning, afternoon, evening. Coffee.
That's too much coffee.
Maybe, but I love it. So, what did you do this morning?
This morning, I woke up at 7:30.
7:30. Not too early.
No, it was okay. I didn't set an alarm. I just woke up.
That's nice. I always need an alarm. 2 alarms. Sometimes 3.
3 alarms? Really?
Yeah, 7, 7:10, 7:20. And I still press snooze.
That's funny. 3 alarms and you still sleep.
I know. It's a problem. Anyway, what did you do after you woke up?
I made breakfast. Eggs. 2 eggs and toast.
Nice. Do you put butter on the toast?
Butter and a little jam. Strawberry jam.
Strawberry. That's good. I usually just have cereal. Milk and cereal. Fast.
That's easy.
Yeah, I'm lazy in the morning. Very lazy.
I understand.
And then, after breakfast?
I took a shower, got dressed, and I walked here.
You walked? How long?
15 minutes. It's not far, and the weather is nice today.
Yeah, it is nice. Warm, not too hot.
Perfect walking weather.
So, work. How's work?
It's okay. Busy, but okay.
Busy how?
Many meetings. This week, I have meetings every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every day.
Every day? That's a lot.
Yeah, and the meetings are long. 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours.
2 hours? In one meeting?
I know, and sometimes I don't understand why we have the meeting. We just talk and nothing happens.
That's very normal. That's work.
Yeah, I know. What about you? How is your job?
My job is different. I work from home.
Oh, nice. You work from home?
Yeah, since last year. I have a small desk in the corner of my room.
Is it good working from home?
It's good and bad. Good because no bus, no traffic. I wake up, I make coffee, I sit down. Easy.
And bad?
Bad because I don't talk to people. I'm alone all day. Just me and the computer.
Oh, that's sad.
A little. That's why I like this. Meeting you, talking, real talking. Not on Zoom.
Yeah, real talking face to face. It's different.
Very different. Better.
Well, I'm glad we're here.
Me too. Oh, here's the coffee. Thank you.
And my tea. And the cake. Looks good.
Smells good. Okay. So, what do you do when you don't work? Free time? Hobbies?
I read. I read a lot.
What do you read?
Novels, stories, sometimes in English, to practice.
Oh, that's smart. Reading in English. Is it hard?
A little. I don't know every word, but I understand the story and I learn new words.
That's great. What are you reading now?
A small book about a woman who travels to Italy. Very simple. Very nice.
Italy. I want to go to Italy.
Do you? Have you been?
No, never. But I want to go. Rome and eat pasta. Real pasta.
Yes, real pasta, not from a box.
Exactly. Not from a box.
And you, hobbies?
I play guitar. A little. Not good. But I like it.
That's cool. What do you play?
Old songs. The Beatles. And some, I don't know the word. Folk music. Simple chords. 4 chords.
4 chords is all you need, right?
Yeah, 4 chords, and you can play 100 songs.
Maybe you can play for me sometime.
Maybe, if you don't laugh.
I won't laugh, I promise.
Okay, maybe next week.
So it's Friday tomorrow.
Yes, finally. Friday.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I don't know yet. Maybe sleep. Sleep a lot.
That's a plan.
It's a good plan. And maybe go to the park, if the weather is good.
The weather is supposed to be nice. Saturday, sunny.
Good. Then the park. I'll take a book. Sit on the grass. Read.
That sounds perfect.
What about you? What are you going to do?
I'm going to visit my mom. She lives 30 minutes by bus.
That's nice. Do you see her often?
Every 2 weeks, sometimes every week. She cooks for me. Too much food.
Moms do that. Eat more. You're too thin.
Yes, exactly. Eat more. Have another piece. And I'm already full.
But you eat it.
Of course I eat it. It's my mom.
And Sunday?
Sunday, I do nothing. Clean the apartment, wash clothes, cook something simple.
Pasta?
Maybe pasta from a box.
Hey, box pasta is fine. No judgment.
Thank you. I feel better now.
This cafe is nice. I like it here.
Yeah, it's quiet. Not too many people.
And the music. It's soft. I can hear you. I don't have to shout.
Right, some cafes are so loud you can't talk.
Yeah, and the chairs here are comfortable. I can sit for a long time.
We've been here an hour?
Maybe time goes fast when you talk.
Yeah, it does.
Look, outside. The sun is going down.
Oh, yeah, the sky is orange and pink.
It's beautiful.
It is. I like this time of day. Evening, everything is soft.
Yeah, and the lights are coming on. In the street. The warm lights.
It makes everything look cozy.
Cozy? Yeah, that's the word. Cozy. Well, I should go. I have a long bus ride.
Yeah, me too. It's getting late.
This was really nice. Thank you for meeting me.
Thank you. I needed this. Talking, real talking.
Yeah, we should do this more. Every week?
Yeah, every week. Same cafe, same time.
Deal. Same cafe. Same time.
Okay. Get home safe.
You too. Text me when you're home.
I will. Bye.
Bye. See you next week.
See you next week. Bye. Wait, before you go, do you want to practice more?
Yes, I want to speak English every day.
Download our app. It is called FlyTalk AI.
FlyTalk AI? How does it help?
It helps you listen and speak. It is very easy.
That sounds great. Where can I find it?
The link is in the description. Download FlyTalk AI today.
Okay, I will download it now. Bye.
Bye. See you in the app. Great job. You just listened to 10 minutes of English. Everyday words, real sentences, simple grammar. Don't try to remember everything. Just listen again tomorrow and the day after. That's how it works. Slow, easy, every day.